Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Etisalat eSIM. So in order to activate your Etisalat eSIM, you first of all need to insert your physical SIM into your phone, and then you need to download and install E and UAE app in your device. Now the interface of this application will look something like this. Now before activating your eSIM, you will have to first of all log in into your account. So in order to log in, on the home page you will see this cart option, and just before this cart option you will see this downloading type of option. So you need to simply tap on it, and then you will be landed on this page where you need to enter your E and UAE account number in order to log in, and you can even log in with the help of your UAE pass and your username. Basically you will have to log in into your account, and once you have successfully logged in, you need to come back on the home page again and scroll down in the bottom. Here in the quick tasks you will see activate SIM option. So you need to tap on activate SIM, and after that you will have to tap on activate your SIM card. Now here you need to remember that if you have recently purchased a new SIM with UAE pass, you need to activate it within 48 hours to enjoy the benefits. So you need to make sure of it. Now tap on the activate your SIM, and you just have to follow further on screen instructions in order to convert your SIM or activate it as an eSIM. Then you need to confirm the activation. Now once the activation process is initiated, your physical SIM will be deactivated and the app will generate a QR code for your eSIM. Then you need to use another device like a computer or a tablet in order to scan that QR code for your eSIM and follow further on-screen instructions to add the eSIM profile to your device. Now after adding the eSIM profile, you need to restart your device to ensure that the changes are applied. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.